All right, guys. Welcome to Air Farm channel. Today we are here in P&J Multi-Bears Farm. Chemasu. Get your name.
My name is Phineas Nketiah.
All right, Mr. Nketiah.
And my backyard farming is called P&J Multi-Bears.
P&J
Rabbit Farm.
So he has an rabbit in here. Rabbits. Some already have babies. Let me open for you to see. P&J Multi-Bird Farm. Right, and also he got some chickens in here and turkey together. Let me see. All right. Hey guys. So got some ducks. So this is Muscovy duck. Only one male, the rest are females, right? All right, guys. So we have local chickens in here, as you can see, very beautiful, and some turkeys. And these are quails. Quails. All right, so we have local turkeys. For the local turkey, I'm not lucky about it. I also have a lot of them. No. I think I don't know how to raise them. I'm not. And we have.
These are some of the pickies.
Okay.
The young ones.
The young ones. Okay. This one you hatch them by yourself.
Myself. For my own hatch.
Wonderful. We have some
guinea fowls.
And young ducks.
These are young Muscovy ducks.
How many of them?
They are about 27.
Muscovy ducks. And some guinea fowls.
Some foreign turkeys.
And these here are foreign turkeys. Look at them. All right. Okay. All right, so we have some guinea fowls in here too. There's some young guinea fowls in here. They're already mature, huh? They're ready for it. Oh. But they're not ready to lay, right? All right. And we have some young ducks in here. Oh, beautiful. I love it when they are like this.
These are day old.
Day old.
The mixture of this one is picking.
Okay, picking.
And this one are Muscovies.
Muscovies, okay. All right. Wonderful. And these are guinea fowls?
Guinea fowls. Then we have some young pickings over here.
Wonderful. Alright guys, so this is where we're gonna leave you today. We wanna thank you very much for watching our channel all the time and also watching our videos. And I want you to subscribe to our channel, like our channel, and share our channel to somebody. All right, because here in Ghana, we want the youth to like farming. Farming makes money in Africa. So subscribe, and next time we'll see you. Bye bye.